Hello everyone. Sometimes we have date and time in Excel. We have to show the difference in different formats. In this example, we have login date, login time, log off date, and log off time in four different columns. And the objective is to show the difference in terms of days, hours, and minutes in column E. The simple approach is to calculate the difference and then change the cell format as per the requirement. We know that in Excel, date and time are stored as number. Hence, to calculate the difference, type equals to open bracket, select cell C2 plus select cell D2, closing bracket minus the start time, which is the sum of login date and login time, closing bracket, and press enter. The result is the number of days between log off and login time. Now select the cell and drag the formula in other cells. To convert the values in days, hours, and minutes, select all the cells and press Ctrl 1 to open the Format Cells dialog box. In the category box, select Custom option. Now in type field, type small d, in double quotes, type days, ampersand small h for hours, then hours in double quotes, ampersand small m, and then minutes in double quotes, and press OK button. The result is converted into the required format. In another example, if data includes both date and time together, then the process will remain same. To get the difference, type equals to and then select end time, which is log off time, which is in B16, minus start time, which is in cell A16. So select A16, press enter, select the cell and use autofill feature. Now to change the format, select all the cell and press Ctrl 1. Again select the option custom in category list box, and because we have already typed the format, so select the format which we have used earlier. Remember, D refers days, small h refers hours, and M refers minutes. Click OK, and the time difference is calculated in terms of days, hours, and minutes. So in this way, you can quickly identify the difference in dates in the required format. If you like the content, press thumbs up and share with your friends and colleagues. Subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get the notification of new videos. Thanks for watching.